Top 5 seeds that strengthen legs and fight sarcopenia. Few people realize it, but weakness in the legs can be the first sign of a silent process that is stealing your strength, your mobility, and your independence. We are talking about sarcopenia, the progressive muscle loss that affects millions of people, even those who think they have a normal diet. But what almost no one mentions is that certain seeds, small, discreet, and easy to consume, have the power to strengthen leg muscles and slow down this process. Recent scientific research reveals that compounds present in some seeds can stimulate muscle synthesis, reduce inflammation, and even protect muscle tissue against premature aging. This means that something as simple as changing what is on your plate can transform your physical strength in a few weeks. And the most surprising thing, many of these seeds are in your home right now, but you probably never thought of them in this way. Throughout this video, you will discover the 5 most powerful seeds to strengthen your legs, protect your muscles, and fight sarcopenia in a natural and effective way. These are practical, accessible, and science-based tips. Stay tuned because seed number 3 is one of the most underestimated in the world, and it has a direct effect on muscle preservation, especially for those over 40. So, have you been feeling your legs weaker lately? Tell me in the comments where you are watching this video from, and take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Shall we begin? First seed, pumpkin seed. Not everyone knows, but the pumpkin seed is considered a true nutritional treasure when it comes to muscle strength. Rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and proteins, it provides the building blocks that the body needs to maintain lean mass and ensure firm legs. In people with sarcopenia, this type of natural reinforcement is fundamental. Furthermore, the magnesium present in this seed actively participates in muscle contraction, something essential for those who feel their legs are weaker or unstable. In a study published in the Journal of Aging Research, elderly individuals who consumed foods rich in magnesium showed a significant improvement in physical performance. And the best part, pumpkin seeds can easily be added to salads, yogurts, smoothies, or even as a snack. How about starting by swapping that ultra-processed snack for a handful of seeds lightly toasted with olive oil and paprika? A small habit with a big impact. Now, stop and think. When was the last time you included seeds in your snack? The presence of zinc is also relevant, as this mineral aids in muscle regeneration, ideal for those who are returning to exercise after a long period of inactivity. It's like fueling the engine with the right fuel. And that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also have an antioxidant effect, helping to protect muscle tissue against damage caused by free radicals, which increase with age. This is especially important for those living in urban environments, exposed to pollution, stress, and poor nutrition. Have you ever thought that a simple handful of seeds could act like a protective shield for your muscles? But of course, the key is consistency. Eating it once and expecting a miracle doesn't work. Want to see results? Try including pumpkin seeds 3 to 4 times a week with a pinch of creativity in your recipes. And if you're curious to know which other seeds further enhance these effects, the next food on the list might surprise you. Number 2, chia seed. The chia seed may seem small, but the impact it has on muscle health is huge. Rich in high-quality plant proteins, omega-3 and soluble fiber, it acts intelligently in the body, reducing inflammation, balancing glucose levels, and promoting muscle recovery. For those suffering from loss of strength in the legs, this is essential. Omega-3, for example, helps combat chronic inflammatory processes that accelerate muscle loss over the years. A tablespoon of chia in a glass of water already creates a natural gel that prolongs satiety and provides sustained energy for the day. It may seem like an exaggeration, but including chia at breakfast can completely change your physical disposition. How about a chia pudding with plant milk and red fruits? Besides being delicious, this simple habit has a scientific basis. Studies show that regular consumption of the fatty acids present in chia is linked to the preservation of muscle mass in the elderly. Another little talked about advantage is the action of chia fiber on the intestine. When the digestive system works well, the body better absorbs the essential nutrients for the musculature. And this makes all the difference for those who want to walk safely again, climb stairs without pain, or get up from a chair without effort. Have you noticed how everything is connected? Strong muscles start with a healthy intestine. And before continuing, I would like to know your routine. Number 3, pomegranate. Although best known for its benefits for the heart, pomegranate seeds hide a surprising power for muscle health, especially when it comes to sarcopenia. Rich in antioxidants like punicalagin, these seeds help combat oxidative stress, one of the main factors contributing to muscle loss with advancing age. In addition, its anti-inflammatory action helps preserve lean mass, protecting muscles from injuries and natural wear over time. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that daily consumption of pomegranate can improve blood circulation, which is essential for proper muscle oxygenation. This directly impacts leg strength, since well-irrigated muscles respond better to stimuli and regeneration. For those who feel tired legs by the end of the day, pomegranate can be a powerful ally. A glass of natural juice, or even sprinkling the seeds over a salad, is enough to get started. The sweet and sour taste of pomegranate also makes it easy to consume at different times of the day. It can be incorporated into yogurt, oatmeal bowls, or even as an accompaniment to lean meats. This makes the routine richer, more nutritious, and attractive for those seeking healthy habits without giving up the pleasure of eating well. And the most interesting thing is that many people in the United States have easy access to pomegranate, especially in the fall, but do not take advantage of its benefits. Number 4, sesame. Small in size but huge in benefits, sesame is one of the oldest foods used by humanity, and not by chance. It concentrates nutrients such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and plant proteins that work directly on muscle strengthening, bone density, and fatigue prevention. For those looking to improve leg strength and combat sarcopenia, sesame presents itself as a true functional gem, especially when consumed regularly. Studies show that the plant-based calcium in sesame has high bioavailability, meaning the body can absorb and use this mineral efficiently. This is important because stronger bones provide a solid foundation for more active muscles. People over 50 years old, for example, can greatly benefit from using tahini, sesame paste, which is versatile and easy to include on toast, salads, or sauces. Just 1 spoonful a day already makes a difference. Another strong point of sesame is the presence of antioxidants like sesamin and sesamolan, which reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells. These compounds also act on hormonal balance, something essential to keep protein synthesis active, especially in menopausal women. Have you ever thought that your body could start responding better to exercise just by adjusting what you put on your plate? And before revealing the last food on the list, answer here. Have you ever used tahini, or do you usually see sesame just as a decoration for hamburger buns? Comment down below. Number 5, sunflower seed. Among the most accessible and neglected seeds of daily life, sunflower seed stands out as a true reinforcement for those who wish to protect their muscles and keep their legs firm and resistant. It is rich in vitamin E, selenium, and proteins, nutrients with antioxidant and reparative action that aid in muscle regeneration, especially after physical activities. This makes all the difference for those who are starting to move more or trying to reverse muscle mass loss. Vitamin E, in particular, plays an important role in protecting muscle fibers against microtears. According to studies from the National Institutes of Health, a deficiency in this nutrient can lead to muscle weakness and difficulty in locomotion. Including a handful of roasted sunflower seeds as a snack or adding them to salads and vegetable bowls is a practical way to obtain this benefit. without needing to resort to expensive or artificial supplements. The selenium present in this seed also cannot be ignored. It is essential for the proper functioning of the thyroid, which regulates metabolism and directly influences muscle performance. Many people don't realize it, but when the metabolism is slow, energy decreases, and the muscles begin to respond with less vigor. The good news: the selenium in sunflower seeds is easily absorbed by the body, a small detail that can generate big results. Now that you know about these 5 seeds capable of strengthening your legs and combating sarcopenia, the question that remains is, what will you do with this knowledge? Because knowing is one thing, applying it is another thing entirely. And it is precisely in daily action that real transformation lies. The difference between continuing to feel weak legs or regaining the strength you thought you had lost could be in a simple spoonful of seeds in your meal tomorrow. It's provocative to think that something so small can generate such a profound change, isn't it? But that's exactly what science has been showing. Small adjustments, repeated consistently, create lasting results. No matter your age, your level of physical activity, or how much you feel you've already lost, the body is adaptable. It responds when it is nourished with intelligence and intention. And here's a challenge. Why not choose one of these seeds to start today? Write it down, buy it on your next trip to the market, and try it for a week. Then come back here and tell us in the comments if you felt any difference in your body, your energy, or even your mood. Because those who take care of their muscles take care of life. Do you accept this challenge? Take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave your like. Here, knowledge is practical, straight to the point, and designed for those who want to live with more strength, autonomy, and vitality. And there's much more coming.